Hi, Nadeem here for Smart Riding. I've just had the Innovv N2 system arrive this morning. Courier dropped off this morning. So I'm going to do an unboxing video and see what's in this. And I'll be fitting this over the weekend probably, so in a couple of days' time. And I'll do a full fitting guide as well of the product. So this looks like the main unit, and that's the cameras. Okay. So that's the display, that's a 6-inch display. I mean, I've had the Innovv N1 and I did a full fitting guide and reviews of the N1. And what I found with the N1 was it was one of the best displays I've ever seen. Okay. Okay, so that's the display with the wires coming out of the back to connect everything. What I did find was their fixtures and fittings were really high quality as well. So that's the power loom, and you can see that's blue, which will match into here. It's got a yellow ACC wire, which means you can connect this to an ignition switched cable on the bike. I've got a Heeltech Thunderbox fitted, so this and this will just go in together into that. I'll show all this anyway, so when I do the fitting of it. So these are the mounts for the unit. I mean, this is what I mean. If you look at this just looks really nice. These are better quality than the ones that you get with most of the units. So yeah, more mounts. Right. Let's open the cameras up. Yeah, they're nice little, neat little cameras from Innovv. As I said, even the N1 had really nice cameras, and they were the 1080p ones. I think these are the 2K cameras. So the cameras that came with the N1 Pro were really good. So I expect these to be good. I mean, these are Sony cameras, so they're branded cameras and everything that they use. So they tend to give quite good results. So these are the mounts that come with it. What I like about this is you've got L bracket mounts as well, because I know it'll be the exact same as the N1. So there's an L bracket as well as a sticky pad. So you can decide, I mean, where I'm going to mount the front one on my GS will be onto the indicator mount, and it fits on there nicely. So that's where that's going to go. So that's it. Simple and straightforward, really. I mean, these will be color coded as well. Yeah, you can see this one is orange, and there's an orange one here. So it'll go into there. I mean, what they've done, if you can see, they've put an extra mount on here. So if you don't buy the cameras, this is like watertight, so no water will get into it and short out the system or anything. But I'll take that off and put the orange onto this one like this. So it's fairly straightforward to fit. It's fairly straightforward to fit. I've done it before with the N1 system, but I'll show all the fitting process on this when I'm doing it over the weekend. Thanks.